A Innova car on Wednesday catches fire on the bypass road between Panaji to Old Goa. The fire brigade officials suppressed the fire. The actual cause of the fire is unknown. No occupants of the car were hurt. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.